My name is Dan, Dr. Dan McKinnon from McKinnon Dental, and I've practiced dentistry for 23 years. And I have a fellow from the Academy of Implant Dentistry, a fellow from the Academy of General Dentistry, and an associate fellow from the World Academy of Laser Dentistry. My DHPI rep is Joe Steffens, and we're just pleased as punch to have him. One of the things I like most about Joe Steffens and DHPI is I don't feel pressure to buy. He's here when I need him. And they still have that small town company feeling and personal care without compromising what they sell. We can still get whatever we need when we want it, and we're real happy with that. Some of the products we use that DHPI supplies to us is the bone grafting material foundation. It's incredibly easy to use and a great product and a billable item. And that certainly has made us more profitable. Also, we supply better care to our patients. It maintains ridge height and stops bleeding, and we form new bone. 3 months later, we're able to go back in, place an implant, or we can work earlier if it's a fixed crown and bridge because the ridge height is maintained, it doesn't shrink, and we're able to aesthetically create what we want. Another one of our reasons for using DHPI and Joe Steffens is because we don't need to maintain an inventory. We can receive our products 24 hours after we order, so there's no reason for us to maintain a big expensive inventory, and their pricing is certainly competitive, if not less than Patterson or Sullivan & Shine. The most noteworthy experience I've had, Joe saved my hind. We had some bone graft set aside for a patient where we were removing some maxillary anterior teeth in preparation for 3 implants, and that evening we were going to do it. It was a Monday evening, and as it turns out, we had a patient come in for an emergency that required bone grafting. We used the bone grafting material we had, and were left without for the Monday night surgery or late afternoon surgery. And we called Joe, and he got in his car and drove us. He hand-delivered some foundation bone graft material, which allowed us to not inconvenience the patient and reschedule and still perform our surgery. So we not only were able to take care of the patient, but from a profitability standpoint, we did not have to reschedule the patient and lose chair time that day and interrupt another day for doing the surgery. It was an incredible experience, and it was just really important for us to not inconvenience that patient and still get the job done right, and still provide the emergency patient with what they needed. I don't know where you're going to get that kind of service. The final thing I'd like to say about DHPI and Joe Steffens is I want to thank him because he's made my life easier for me not having to worry about certain supplies or, in certain cases, bailing me out when I need them. So we really appreciate, one, that there's competition for some of the bigger companies, and two, the personal service we get from Joe. Thanks.